Well, what I saw was a big panda and a baby panda, and the big panda was just sort of contemplating, and then you heard a little scrunching noise before the big panda started eating bamboo, which is difficult to see as bamboo, and after a second or two, the little panda suddenly moved very quickly and made a queer noise, which I reckon was a sneeze. And the reaction on the big panda was immediately to lean forward and wonder, I suppose, what it was all about, and jumped. I suppose it was just a motherly reaction.